channel. So this video is basically a follow-up from yesterday where I filmed my how to clean your home fast, and I said, you know, you can have it done within 20 minutes. Obviously I'm going to speed up part of this video. As you see, the bedroom now is basically as it's been left since this morning. I got up, I had a doctor's appointment over my eyes, so that's why you're not really going to see much of me today on the camera, because my eyes are dreadful. But yeah, I basically just get stuck in, clear away all the bits. Like I said, that's like my purse and bits on the bedside table, my phone, any little bits that are laying around, all get put back into the home. My pyjamas are now going into the laundry basket, and the bed's been open to get some air. Obviously I'm making it a lot quicker than I usually would. I'd usually leave that open till well after lunchtime, or you know, it would be late anyway. So obviously I'm going to speed the video up a little bit now, so obviously it's not going to take that long, but yeah, keep watching. Haven't you got to love the way I've just like scribbled into the telly to leave a dust mark, and you couldn't even see it, but there was dust on it. And look at me babies. All you can see is the little tails wagging so quick. It's so cute. But as you can see, the place isn't messy. This is just my every morning routine. It's a case of having a quick tidy round. Obviously there's a few bits extra that I've done, like cleaning the safety gate down, as you've seen before in the hall, and I've swapped the cloths only because I've used them upstairs, I used them downstairs. I've got dogs, so I'd rather just change the cloth and throw the other ones in the washing machine. So yeah, I'm having a little wipe around, getting rid of all the layer dust that's just not there, but I'm cleaning this end anyway. As you can see, tea had been spilt on the cupboards. I zoomed in on that before for you to see. And the toaster, Lee, making toast of a morning for his breakfast and leaves big greasy fingerprints all over it. So that's where I wash it with the cloth, and then I'll go hunting any second now for my e-cloth, which just shines it all to a nice sheen. So I'll show you that in a minute, because that comes up spotless. So does the hob. And I also use it on the kettle as well. But I'm sure there's a little break any minute now because my auntie's on the phone. Yeah, so it's there. I actually start multitasking and stay on the phone talking to her and doing me clean as well, but she was having problems with Netflix, so I was talking her through how to do it. So I was just carrying on, and the funny thing is, she turned around and went, "Are you cleaning?" I went, "Yeah." She went, "Oh, I better let you go," so I could crack on with my work. Anyway, I'm basically just wiping over. You know, it's nothing spectacular, it's just a case of wiping the worktops, because as you could see, there was cut marks and all manner of bits of crumbs all over the worktop. So quick wipe down, and they're as good as new. Isn't it funny when you watch yourself? Did you see what I'd done then when I come off the phone? I actually wiped the phone and then cleaned it with an e-cloth. I never even realised I would have done that. But yeah, just cleaning the tray, using the e-cloth to get it all shiny. The grate, I do usually use glass cleaner, but I just thought I'll use a cloth on it with the e-cloth and get it nice and sparkly. And that's the island done. Then I'm just about to light one of my wax melts. They are Melt My Tart, and the scent is Tom Ford Black Orchid. God, you had to think then, I couldn't remember. And now I'm into the dining room, wiping the table over with the wet cloth. It's basically just a wet cloth, that there's nothing at all on it. And I'll go over the bits again with the cloth. But of a morning, I go across the dining table, into the lounge, and I do the little mirrored columns and the fireplace hearth floor, and then that's it. Then that cloth doesn't get used again. That just gets thrown into the washing machine with the rest. And yeah, fix the chairs. And into here we go. Hoover the rug. Someone actually gave me a tip as well on the rug to turn it down a touch and the battery lasts longer. Now I've done upstairs, obviously I didn't do Ollie's bedroom because he's hungover today, he was out last night, so I didn't want to go into his room and disturb him, and I didn't do the office either because that is currently under construction and it's top secret. So yeah, anyway, back to the Hoover and rambling. I turned the power down to minimum rather than maximum, and the Hoover lasted. There was still like one light. It's got 3 lights on it, the Dyson V8. It has 1 light left by the time I finished, and I couldn't believe that I got all the downstairs done too. So whoever it was who gave me that tip on YouTube, you are a star, because I wasn't even aware of it. Then with my little spray mop, which has also got soft flooring in, I'll just mop through. These mops are the best thing ever. No mop bucket, no mop. It's honestly, I cannot recommend them enough. They're so easy to use and so quick. Once you're done, just peel the strip off, throw it in the washing machine, and that's it. Job's a good one and it's all done.
All it takes to get us moving anywhere. And now that we are on our way, I need to say what used to keep us back were just excuses. alive. More and now we're far from everything we had. Ready for whatever's lying up ahead. We won't stop moving, feels too good for that. So good. Feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you.
And that's it, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I hope you all have a lovely day. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.